You need to get clear on what's the metric that you need this person to actually achieve in his sales role. So yes, he's doing some account management stuff, looking after some existing clients, but if you're going to put him in an outbound sales role and you want him to bring in new revenue to the business, what's the target that he's aiming for? That's the first step. When I asked John that question, he really didn't have an answer. What we do is we actually extract information from the business owner's mind and put it into a systemized process that allows you to then extend that to the sales professional and set them up for success. You put this person in this role and you've set them up for failure based on the fact that you have all these expectations that you haven't communicated to him. So you need to tell him what is his target, what is his metric, what does he need to produce. In addition to that, you need to think about what is the customer journey and the customer sales cycle. What are the different assets along the sales journey? Is there an email touch point? Is there a series of questions that we ask repetitively when it's a brand new inquiry? Is there a cycle or a time frame by which we should have touch points with the customer so that we're not being a stalker, but we're also not letting the sale go cold? What are the cost options? What are the ways in which people engage with your team? What are their expectations? And how does this person know to be able to communicate all of that stuff with the prospective buyer in front of them? You're paying all this money out to this person, expecting a certain return. You haven't communicated the information that he needed to know as the measure of success, and you haven't given him any assets or anything in his tool belt or in his suitcase ready to pull out to actually create that customer engagement and that customer relationship.